Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and this kit's going into a Sprinter for Joe and Siobhan McMahon down in Victoria. And this is 5,000. We've got, in this case here, we've got 5 batteries in here. That's equivalent to 1,000 amp hours. You can see the Scotty up the other end there, the other things that we have. But here's what I'm going to point out to you. How do we do a job as detailed as this at Safiery? And everything's in an electronic whiteboard. And in fact, that's our account manager in Melbourne, Jeff Crane, who's looking at it at the moment. And all the details go into our electronic whiteboard. This is all stored in the cloud. Look at this for the detail on how it's going to be built. Everything on the Sprinter goes in, and then once it's finished, the as-built boards go in, or as we're progressing, they go in, and then the documentation for the compliance certificate is. So what you can see here is our checklist. All the wiring we take photographs of for compliance. Got is these Bluetooth pucks that we do are going to be operating the luxury underfloor heating. So he's got 2 of these in, and we set the temperature on the screen here. As you've seen in a previous video, we set the temperature there. Once it gets to the low temperature measured by this puck, then the luxury underfloor heating comes on, and it turns off once it gets to the high temperature. You can actually have one puck turning on, one puck turning off if you wish, but the other one of these will go into the fridge, and we operate all that through the 48-volt smart battery protect. So that's a nice recap on this Sprinter, and for those people that are interstate, we have it all wrapped up on our electronic whiteboard that you can see here, and I've got to say, how good's that?